Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Tristan here, the digital storyteller, and I'm super excited to be with you once again for another episode of Cinecut, where we'll be talking about the Mauvio app by Sonic. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go! Woo! So a few weeks ago, the good people from Sonic reached out to me and wanted me to test out their new app called Mauvio. And Mauvio is a audio app that allows you to clean up your audio really, really quickly and seamlessly, and be able to publish it to either Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or the like, or even as a podcast with ease and with comfort right from your phone. So let's jump into how it looks and how it works. So I'm just going to go to my Mauvio app and I'm going to tap on it. And by default, there are only a few options on the Mauvio app. So there is a plus button at the top left-hand corner of the screen. There's also a plus button in the middle of the screen. And then there's the settings button, which is that little gear. And then this little U with the arrow pointing upwards, which is, I believe it's the share option, the share area. Now, when you tap on the plus button, either on the top left-hand corner or in the bottom of the screen, what you get is you get two options. You get the camera option or you get the video library option. I'm actually going to use the camera option instead of using one of my video clips, but you can use a video clip from your phone library. I'm going to tap on camera, and by default, it's switched to the camera on the back part of my phone, and I'm going to switch to the camera that's on the front part of my phone. And as you can see, I'm talking to you right now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start recording some video of me talking just with the mic that's on my phone. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Tristan here, the digital storyteller, and I'm super excited to be with you once again for Cinecut, where we'll be talking about whatever else it is. Okay, so you can talk like this for a little bit. Make sure that you're recording. If you're recording a sizzler like I just did, or if you're recording an invite, or maybe you're recording a podcast or something like that, then you can record all of those things. And then once you're done, you can hit the stop button. And now we have that video there. Now, once we have the video on our phone, all we have to do is tap on use video. And then it's actually going to automatically load that video into the program. When the video gets loaded into the program, then what's going to happen is it's going to show us 4 different options. It's going to show us the denoise option. It's going to show us the balance option. It's going to show us the enhance option. And then it's also going to show us, obviously, the volume option. Now, by default, the thing that's great about this app is that it automatically does the enhancements for you without you having to do a lot of work. So this is really great for those of us that are not really very advanced in our audio settings and options and our knowledge. The app will do it for you. If you don't want the app to do it for you, you can actually manually adjust things, and we'll talk about that after. But let's first listen to what the audio sounded like beforehand. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Tristan here, the digital storyteller, and I'm super excited to be with you once again for Cinecut, where we'll be talking about whatever else it is. Okay, so So that's how it sounds without any sort of effects on it. But now what we're going to do is we're actually going to tap on this switch from before to after, and now we're going to rewind this audio here, and we're going to test it out again and see what this app has done for us. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Tristan here, the digital storyteller, and I'm super excited to be with you once again for Cinecut, where we'll be talking about whatever else it is. Okay, so you can talk like this for a little bit. Make sure that you're recording. If you're recording a sizzler like I just did, or if you're recording an invite, or maybe you're recording a podcast or. Wow, that's actually super, super dope. I don't know if you noticed how much it sounded a lot cleaner. It sounded a lot cleaner. There wasn't as much room tone, and my voice sounded a lot more compressed and kind of I guess a little bit more fuller. So what we're going to do is I'm going to actually play it again, and I'm going to toggle between the before and after so that you can hear it in real time. Okay, let's do that again in 3, 2, and 1. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Tristan here, the digital storyteller, and I'm super excited to be with you once again for Cinecut, where we'll be talking about whatever else it is. Okay, so you can talk like this for a little bit. Make sure that you're recording. If you're recording a sizzler like I just did, or if you're recording an invite, or maybe you're recording a podcast or something like. Now I don't know about you, but I think that that's super dope, and it is really easy to clean up the audio and make it sound a lot better, especially coming from an iPhone 7. So let's look at some of the other options in terms of manually doing this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually rewind this video clip all the way to the beginning again, and then I'm going to manually go through some of the options here, okay? And we're just going to start out with the denoise first, okay? So I'm going to press denoise. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Tristan Barrocks here, the digital storyteller, and I'm super excited to be with you once again for Cinecut, where we'll be talking about whatever else it is, okay? So you can talk like this for a little. That's how it sounds, right? So that's how you could make those adjustments. Now I'm going to go back again. I'm going to turn off the denoise, and I'm going to go to balance. I'm going to turn on balance. So let's see what it sounds like without any balance. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Tristan Barrocks here, the digital storyteller, and I'm super excited to be with you once again for Cinecut, where we'll be talking about whatever else it is, okay? So you can talk like this for a little bit, make sure that you're recording. If you're recording a sizzler like I just did. So if you're not hearing it, basically what the balance does is it kind of balances out the mic or the headphones so that you hear my voice more seamlessly or more balanced in both sides, both the left and the right channels, which is really, really cool. Male and female voice. So I'm guessing that basically there's a predetermined or preset setting for a male voice and a preset setting for a female voice. So I'm going to turn this on or turn it off. Press play. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Tristan Barrocks here, the digital storyteller, and I'm super excited to be with you once again for Cinecut, where we'll be talking about whatever else it is, okay? So you can talk like this for a little bit, make sure that you're recording. If you're recording a sizzler like I just did, or if you're. So that I don't necessarily notice that much of a difference between using the male voice versus the female voice. There might be a slight difference in sort of the high part of the voice when you're switching between the two or toggling between the two, but that's pretty much just kind of making it enhancing the voice a little bit more from the background and from the backdrop. And then obviously volume is volume. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on this share button here, and I'm going to see what comes up next. We have the share button here. We're just waiting for it to show up and do something. Okay, cool. So now it says your video is ready, right? It says my video is ready. So I'm going to share it, and I can either share it to my computer, I can share it with other people, I can share it right to my social media icons or areas, or I can scroll down and I can just save the video right to my my camera reel. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Tristan Barrocks here, the digital storyteller, and I'm super excited to be with you once again for Cinecut, where we'll be talking about whatever else it is, okay? And that's a quick overview of the Mauvio app. In my opinion, it's a really good app, very solid, very well made. It's easy to use. It does what it says it's going to do, which is clean up your audio and make you sound really fabulous. And it does it in a very quick, seamless, and fun way. Well, that's it for me. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. And until the next time, stay safe. Peace.